What if a massive solar flare hit Earth? Imagine waking up to a sunrise brighter than anything you've ever seen. Your phone won't turn on, the internet is gone, planes are falling from the sky, and the world is suddenly thrown back into the 1800s. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is what would happen. If a massive solar flare hit Earth, the sun is constantly bubbling, twisting, and exploding. Sometimes it releases a massive blast of energy called a solar flare. And even worse, a coronal mass ejection, or CME, a huge cloud of charged particles racing through space at millions of kilometers per hour. Most flares miss Earth, but once every few centuries, a truly giant one points directly at us. The first wave reaches Earth in just 8 minutes. People notice the sunlight looks sharp, almost white. Radio stations glitch. GPS becomes unreliable. Airplanes suddenly lose stable signals. Scientists realize what's coming, but the real danger is still on the way. Between 12 and 24 hours later, a wall of charged particles crashes into Earth's magnetic field. The sky erupts in auroras, glowing blues, greens, and even reds, visible as far as the equator. But behind the beauty comes destruction. Transformers overload, satellites lose control. Power grids around the world fry instantly. In seconds, entire continents go dark. No electricity, no internet, no mobile networks. Just silence. Imagine this. Airplanes can't navigate. Ships lose all GPS. Cars with modern electronics stall. Elevators stop midair, hospitals run out of backup power, water pumps shut down, banks lose digital records. Humanity becomes disconnected. Even astronauts in the ISS face high radiation levels. Satellites in orbit begin to fall out of alignment. Some even burn up. The modern world is simply gone. Within hours, panic begins. People run to stores. ATMs don't work. Credit cards are useless. Food and water supplies begin to run out. Governments try to restore order, but communication networks are broken. Emergency services are overwhelmed. Some cities go into full blackout mode. The world's economy collapses overnight. Global trade stops. Countries become isolated, unable to talk, unable to coordinate. Humans are forced to survive using old technology: flashlights, generators, paper maps, and handwritten letters. For the first time in centuries, humanity is pushed back to a simpler but much harder life. Rebuilding the world would take years. Satellites must be replaced. New power grids must be designed. Technology must be upgraded to be flare-proof. Some countries recover faster. Others never return to normal. Our global systems, the internet, navigation, aviation, and electricity would all need to be rebuilt from the ground up. A single solar explosion. It could erase decades of progress. The sun gives us life, but one violent moment from it, it could bring our entire civilization to its knees. So the question remains, are we prepared for the next big solar flare? Or will we only realize our vulnerability when it's already too late?
Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild what-ifs. Because sometimes asking what if is the best way to imagine what could be.